something about intercultural marriage that I mentioned to you is that once you marry into a culture, a part of your other culture drops aside. If you really are committed to the marriage, especially as women, we tend to take it on. We tend to really embrace it and make it work as best we can by becoming one with the culture of our husband, that's what happened for me. And I taught myself Fijian as much as I could. I, sang at all the kava sessions and really embrace the culture, love it. I'm very in love with Fijian culture, and it is my culture. I've taken it on for myself. But I think what comes with that is there's plus and minus, so identity can be very hard because you don't exactly fit in, but you've also stopped fitting in completely with who you were before. And it's sort of this third culture that happens. So I myself also got caught up with the silence issue of there's shame. So if you find yourself in a bit of a toxic or abusive relationship and you didn't see it coming, there's a lot of shame around. Maybe I've made a bad choice here, or maybe my family are going to say I'm bringing shame to the family, or all of those sort of things. And if you're in an intercultural marriage, there's sort of another layer there, because there's less understanding around the culture you've married into. And so you tend to hide it. You tend to hide it because it's like there's no understanding. It's not going to be easy to explain this. It's there'll be no empathy. And you want the best for your family. All of us want the best for our family. We want to have our family stay together. And so I think, my experience in Fiji was, who can I tell? Because I can't tell my in-laws. That's my husband's family. And all women would feel that way. And I can't really tell my own family because that's shameful, or, there's other things that we feel. And I think religion and faith come into it as well. That's where this silence thing really plays up, because we feel like, well, we should just pray about this, and, I'm sure we can overcome it as a family. And I'm a strong Christian, and I do believe that, God can intervene, but at the same time, people need to have the heart to come in. And sometimes it's one person saying, can we pray about this? Can we pray? But you need both. And it's not always going to be the case. So that's where the silence really ends up promoting the violence, because you stay quiet, and you stay quiet out of fear as well. Because if you do say something and the perpetrator finds out, the repercussions, as we know, are huge, not just for the woman, but for the children.